everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On this video, we're going to be making this little earring and I'm going to show you how to make this little component using soft flex wire. And the best thing about this project is it uses your leftover wire from other projects, or you can just cut about 7 or 8 inches of wire to make the little loop. Used in so many different projects. You can use them as a charm bracelet or a necklace, like to make your own chain. And I will have some upcoming tutorials with that coming soon. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you will be notified of the upcoming tutorials. So to start for this earring, you'll just need a little bit of soft flex wire, and this is the medium, and it comes in so many different colors. I will go ahead and leave a link down below so you can order yours. A bead of your choice. I'm using this little flower bead, a head pin, or you can use like a little tassel if you want, one 2x2, and of course your ear wire. So we're just going to slide on our 2x2, and then we're just going to take one side of our wire, and we're just going to pass it back through. So we'll have a little loop. And then you can kind of adjust it now, but we'll make final adjustments at the end. And then our little tail here, we're just going to hold on to the smaller end. We're going to take the other part of our wire and pass back through the 2x2. So we pass it back through our 2x2 and we have our little figure 8. What's really nice about with this is a 2x2 will pass through 3 strings of the soft flex medium wire. And now we just go ahead and adjust to the size that we need. And you can also put your pliers in there if you want to measure them that way, or if you have the looping ones that will tell you the size millimeter for the loop, you can use those as well. So we're just going to adjust to the size that we need, and we're going to compare it to our other earring length. And then we're just going to go ahead and take our pliers, go in through the middle here, just give it a little smash, and then we're going to rotate. Gives it a more professional finish, and then you will just trim off your little tails. So we have our little length, and then we can just adjust it as is. Just kind of flatten it out a little bit. And also what's nice about this is if you wanted to make a larger loop on the bottom, you could make that into like a little pendant and hang some tassels from it, or even like some little wire wrapped loops. So you can really do a lot with this little design and component. So I'm just going to take my ear wire and connect it to one side of my loop. And these are also great lightweight earrings. So we get our head pin and we're going to make a wrapped loop. Or if you have a one-step looper, you can use that as well. So we're just going to bend our wire, bend straight down. And then I'm going to round this to make my wrapped loop. So we have our loop. I went ahead and left it open so I can just attach it to the bottom of the soft flex wire, little component. We're going to close up the loop. And just like that, we have easy earrings using our soft flex wire in medium. So we have our cute little earrings with the little loops, and you can make more loops if you want to. You can connect them with more soft flex wire or jump ring or like little beads on a piece of wire or an eye pin. So endless possibilities with this little component. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other content and upcoming tutorials. Have a wonderful day.